Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix iPhone microphone not working on iPhone iOS 17 without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1: cancel and turn off audio cancel cancellation on iPhone. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on accessibility. Scroll up, tap on audio visual. You can see appears on screen. Phone noise cancellation toggle off and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on accessibility. Scroll up, tap on audio visual. Tap on headphone accommodations. Headphone accommodations toggle off and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is reset network setting. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general. Scroll up, tap on transfer or reset icon. Tap on reset setting. Tap on reset network setting. Enter your iPhone passcode. Reset network setting. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Tap on reset network settings and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is check your iPhone update. Firstly, tap on setting app. Scroll up, tap on general. Tap on software update. If update is available, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reset all setting. Firstly, tap on setting app. Scroll up, tap on general. Scroll up, tap on transfer or reset icon. Tap on reset setting. Tap on reset all setting. Enter your iPhone passcode. Reset all setting. This will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted. Tap on reset all setting and problem is fixed. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying this solution number 6. Solution number 6 is remove your iPhone case and check back again. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone microphone not working on iPhone iOS 17. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.